Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be my current natural hair routine. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So today I'm going to show you guys my current natural hair routine. Personally, I don't really think that a lot has changed when it comes to my hair. It's just that recently some of you guys have been requesting that I did a natural hair routine, or if there's anything new that I'm using, because you feel that my hair is, a bit thicker. So there's actually one thing that I just started using like few months back, and I did a video on that already. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna talk to you guys and show you guys the things that I use and how I use them step by step, and afterwards I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I do it. So for the past couple of months now, I make sure I wash my hair once every month with the bentonite clay and the apple cider vinegar. So I've seen this on YouTube. Everybody is trying it, like a lot of people are trying it, and they say it actually works. So I decided to buy the bentonite clay. This is the type I bought, and then I bought the apple cider vinegar from Amazon as well. So what I do is that on a typical day, if I want to wash my hair, I normally wash my hair at night. So what I do is that I just take the clay and the apple cider vinegar and I mix them together. I don't have a measurement. I just mix the clay and the apple cider vinegar and a little bit of castor oil, because with the clay I noticed that it tends to dry off easily. So I just apply a little bit of castor oil. So when I mix them, I apply them on my hair and then apply a little bit on my face as well. And then when I apply it, I leave it for about 20 minutes and I wash it off. When I wash it off with a shampoo. So when I wash it off with my Garnier shampoo. Then after washing it off properly, I apply my conditioner. This is my L'Oreal conditioner. And then I allow the conditioner to sit for about 5 minutes, and then I detangle it and then wash it off. After that, I dry my hair and then I apply my virgin hair fertilizer. I apply my virgin hair fertilizer especially on my edges because it really helps the edges to grow. And after that, I apply my Sheer Moisture leave-in conditioner. And then you guys know that I'm definitely going to apply my black Jamaican castor oil. And then last but not the least, I apply my Indian hemp cream. You don't have to apply all these things. You can stick to what you use. I'm not asking you to buy anything. I'm just sharing my routine with you guys. So after applying all these things on my hair, I make sure I massage it thoroughly into my scalp, and then I detangle my hair. After detangling my hair, I cornrow my hair all to the back. And then I go to bed, and then the next day I take off the cornrow, and this is what it actually looks like, So that is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and insert the clip and I'll be back. Hi guys, so I'm gonna start by mixing the clay and the apple cider vinegar. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of castor oil and then mix everything up properly. So right here on a damp hair, I'm gonna start applying the clay on my hair, and I'm gonna make sure that it gets to the roots, especially because we want our hair to be very, very clean. As you guys can see, I'm just making sure that it gets to the root of my hair. After that, I'm going to apply a little bit on my face as well. This is totally optional. When I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and cover my hair with my shower cap. And then after 20 minutes, when it's dry, I'm going to take it off and I'm going to wash it out. After washing it out, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my shampoo, and then I'm gonna scrub very, very, very well. I'm gonna make sure that the clay gets off my hair properly. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and rinse off the shampoo. So now after rinsing off the shampoo, I'm going to go ahead and apply my conditioner. Then I'm going to go ahead and put on my shower cap and allow it to sit for about 5 minutes. And then when I take it out, I'm just going to detangle my hair. And then I'm going to wash it out. So when I'm done washing my hair, I dried my hair very well. You guys can see that my scalp looks very clean. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my leave-in conditioner. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my virgin hair fertilizer, especially on my edges. You guys can see that my hair shrinks very well whenever it's wet. Then now I'm going to go ahead and apply my black castor oil. Like I said earlier on, I'm not asking you to apply all this. I'm just showing you guys what I apply on my hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my Indian hemp cream. Then I'm going to start detangling my hair. Then what I do after that is I'm going to go ahead and cornrow my hair all to the back. So now I'm done with the cornrow. Sometimes I keep it for a day or two and then I take it out. And when I take it out, that's the results you get at the end. And then when I take it out, I just use my comb and then gently just, comb it out from the root. To create that fuller look, and this is how it looks, guys. So you guys can see that's actually my natural hair routine. There's actually no big deal with my routine. It's just the bentonite clay and the apple cider vinegar that I introduced to my natural hair regimen, and it's been great. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
It's Calvin Budge.